Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this tutorial we will show you how to add dates to discussions. First, go to the Discussions tab in the D2L course navbar. And then, in a topic that you have already created, click on the drop-down arrow to the right of it. In the menu that appears, click on Edit Topic. You can use the following steps on a new topic as well. Go to Restrictions, and then check the box to the left of Has Start Date if you want to add a start date, or click on the checkbox to the left of Has End Date if you want to add an end date. You can also click on both of these. Then simply click on the date to change the date, and the time to change the time. You will also notice that there are several options underneath these dates. Each one is relatively self-explanatory, but if you need more of an explanation, click on the question mark to the right. A pop-up will appear informing you on what the option does. I personally like this middle one for both of these. This will allow the student to see the topic as well as the description and/or any rubrics for the start date. Using this option for the end date will allow students to see all of that and their submission. You will also notice that there is no way to add a due date from here. However, we can click on this checkbox to the left of Display in Calendar to display it in the calendar. Once you're done adding your dates, click on Save. Additionally, if I want to add a due date to this discussion topic, I'll have to add it to the Content area. I will go ahead and do that now. Click on Content in the D2L course navbar, and then in a module of your choosing, click on Add Existing Activities, choose Discussions, then click on Discussions. Then choose the topic that you want to add. As you can see, it did bring over the dates that I had previously that I added directly to the topic. And to add a due date, I can simply click on these dates, and now I have this due date option. Once I'm done, click on Update. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.